The sands of time hold many secrets, secrets that have shaped the course of human history. Ancient wisdom whispers through the ages, waiting to be rediscovered by those who seek knowledge and enlightenment. One such whisper comes from the Hermetic texts, a collection of writings attributed to the enigmatic Hermes Trismegistus, a figure shrouded in mystery and legend. These texts, steeped in ancient Egyptian lore and wisdom, spoke of a universe brimming with interconnectedness, where the microcosm reflected the macrocosm, and every part was a mirror of the whole. They became a wellspring of inspiration for a new breed of thinkers during the Renaissance, a period of rebirth and rediscovery of ancient knowledge. These individuals dared to challenge the established order and reshape our understanding of the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of what was known and accepted. Among these pioneers was Giordano Bruno, a Dominican friar with a mind alight with curiosity and a heart full of courage. The Hermetic texts resonated deeply with Bruno, igniting within him a passion for knowledge and discovery that would forever alter the course of scientific thought and philosophy. He embraced the Hermetic principle of as above, so below, a concept that suggests a profound unity between the heavens and the earth. This concept suggests that the patterns and laws governing the universe are mirrored in all levels of existence, from the celestial bodies in the heavens to the smallest particles on Earth, creating a harmonious and interconnected whole. This powerful idea became the cornerstone of Bruno's revolutionary scientific theories, challenging the conventional wisdom of his time. The Hermetic texts provided fertile ground for Bruno's imagination to take flight, offering him a new way to see and understand the universe. They offered a framework for understanding the universe as a unified whole, a cosmos where everything was interconnected and interdependent. This contrasted sharply with the dominant Aristotelian worldview of the time, which viewed the cosmos as static and hierarchical, with a clear separation between the earthly and the divine. Inspired by the Hermetic vision, Bruno dared to imagine a universe teeming with infinite possibilities, a universe pulsating with life and change, where the only constant was transformation. This bold vision, fueled by the ancient wisdom of the Hermetic tradition, would have profound implications for the scientific revolution, paving the way for new discoveries and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Giordano Bruno was born Filippo Bruno in 1548 in Nola, Italy, a small town nestled in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius. Even as a young boy, Bruno displayed an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, a curiosity that seemed boundless. He devoured books, absorbing information like a sponge, always eager to learn more about the world around him. At the age of 15, he entered the Dominican order, drawn to its intellectual rigor and spiritual depth, hoping to find answers to his many questions. However, Bruno's inquisitive mind soon led him to question some of the Church's teachings, particularly its adherence to Aristotelian philosophy, which he found limiting. Bruno's studies led him to the works of the Hermetic philosophers, whose ideas resonated deeply with his own intuitions about the universe and its mysteries. He was captivated by their vision of a cosmos teeming with life, a universe far more complex and interconnected than the one described by traditional teachings. A universe interconnected by invisible forces and governed by universal laws, where every part was inextricably linked to the whole. These concepts sparked a fire in Bruno's imagination, setting him on a path of intellectual exploration that would challenge the very foundations of knowledge and belief. Bruno's outspoken nature and unconventional views soon brought him into conflict with the Church authorities, who saw his ideas as a threat to their established doctrines. He openly questioned the geocentric model of the universe, which placed the Earth at the center of creation, a view that was deeply entrenched in the Church's teachings. He championed the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus, arguing that the Earth and other planets revolved around the Sun, a revolutionary idea at the time. This stance, considered heretical at the time, put Bruno on a collision course with the Inquisition, the powerful arm of the Church tasked with rooting out heresy. Undeterred by the growing opposition to his ideas, Bruno continued to travel throughout Europe, lecturing and writing on a wide range of subjects, from philosophy to cosmology. He became known for his fiery rhetoric, his captivating lectures, and his unwavering belief in the power of human reason to unlock the secrets of the universe, inspiring many and angering others. Bruno's passion for knowledge and his unwavering pursuit of truth made him both a celebrated scholar and a controversial figure, whose legacy continues to inspire and provoke thought to this day. Bruno's deep engagement with the Hermetic texts profoundly shaped his scientific inquiries, providing him with a unique lens through which to view the natural world. He saw the universe as a living organism, imbued with a divine spirit, a perspective that was revolutionary for his time. This perspective led him to groundbreaking insights that challenged the prevailing scientific dogma of his time, pushing the boundaries of accepted knowledge. Bruno's embrace of the Hermetic principles of correspondence and interconnectedness enabled him to perceive patterns and relationships in nature that had previously gone unnoticed, revealing a hidden order in the cosmos. One of Bruno's most significant contributions was his assertion that the universe is infinite and contains an infinite number of worlds, a concept that was both bold and controversial. This idea, considered heretical at the time, challenged the Aristotelian notion of a finite cosmos enclosed by a celestial sphere, a belief that had dominated scientific thought for centuries. Bruno argued that the universe was not confined by any physical boundaries, but extended infinitely in all directions, a radical departure from the accepted views of his era. This concept, later embraced by astronomers like Galileo and Kepler, paved the way for our modern understanding of the vastness of the cosmos, fundamentally altering our perception of the universe. Bruno's Hermetic worldview also led him to propose the existence of other inhabited worlds beyond our own. He reasoned that an infinite universe would naturally contain an infinite variety of worlds, many of which could harbour life, a notion that was ahead of its time. This idea, while considered outlandish at the time, foreshadowed the modern search for extraterrestrial life, a field that continues to captivate scientists and the public alike. Bruno's willingness to entertain such bold possibilities demonstrated his remarkable ability to think beyond the confines of his time, showcasing his visionary intellect. Furthermore, Bruno's understanding of the interconnectedness of all things led him to speculate about the existence of a universal life force, a concept he referred to as the world's soul, which he believed was the essence of all life. This force, he believed, permeated all of creation, animating both the physical and the spiritual realms, a belief that bridged science and spirituality. This idea, while rooted in ancient Hermetic wisdom, resonated with later scientific discoveries about the interconnectedness of life on Earth, highlighting the unity of all existence. Bruno's insights, fueled by his Hermetic worldview, provided crucial stepping stones for the development of modern science, laying the groundwork for future explorations and discoveries.